Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to send a video on Discord. So let's start. First open your gallery and select the video you want to share. Now tap on the share icon. And here you will see icons of various social media streams. Now tap on Discord. At the top you'll see a message preview. Then you have the option to add a comment. Then you have to select a channel. Now when you're done, tap on the arrow icon on top right corner to send the video. But remember, you can send up to 8 megabytes of file. And to send bigger files, you have to upgrade to Discord Nitro to get the 100 megabytes file limit. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.